Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today it's August 23rd, 2021. And man, did you see the price movement in Loopring yesterday? Did you see how massive the market moved higher on this one particular cryptocurrency? Well, we got you. Today we're going to give y'all a price prediction in the market for Loopring. We're going to see whether or not should you sell the cryptocurrency or should you wait? Or should you continue to expect the price to go higher for this particular market? So welcome. Thank you all for stopping by. If you guys want to join us, you're more than welcome to. The doors are open. Hit the like button. Share. Also subscribe here to the channel, because one thing we do not do here on this channel is we do not pump cryptocurrency. We do not give you any FUD, any FOMO. We only look at one thing and one thing only, and that is the price. The price is the only thing that matters when it comes to the market. Everyone, even though they try to give you some technical indicators, even though they try to speak on technical analysis, even though they try to look at 15 articles, they always worry about one thing, and it is the price. So if you peel back everything else that I just said and just look at the price for what it is, you will actually be a better trader, better investor, because you are not worried about nothing else but what price is going to do. So if you guys want to join us, like I said, hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel. So now let me talk about what happened in Loopring. But first, did you guys see that block right there on my chart? Yeah, we did a price prediction in Loopring all the way back there on June 20th, 2021. And we told everyone at that particular moment to expect the price to go down. And that is precisely what the market has done. You're able to do this for yourself without causing any confusion. You guys can clearly tell that the market in Loopring literally the next day has grabbed our TP price. TP means take profit. So 13.05% was bagged, given away from the trap, and placed right back into our accounts. See, here in our community, we enjoy when everyone eats. We enjoy when everyone wins in the market. So 13.05% right there. Now, that's done. It's over. You guys can see here that we planned out that the market in Loopring, right, was following an upward trend, right? And then take a look. The market took off in Loopring right here, July 21st, 2021. That is when the market started its bullish trend on a different ascending line. Let me show you. I got you. I'm gonna show you right here. This is where the market in Loopring started a new upward trend. Okay. So no longer are we following this ascending line. No, it's not applicable anymore. So rather than keeping our charts complicated, let's get rid of it. The price is not even around that 25-cent level. So why would we continue to have this line here? It serves no purpose. So get rid of it. So now this is the current trend into the market in Loopring. Now, even in this particular situation, the market in Loopring still broke away from that trend. So this is the current trend that the market in Loopring is in. This is how strong, this is how you're able to determine how bullish a market is, when you see it continually break away from the prior trend. So now this trend in Loopring is not applicable yet. Okay, it could come back into focus as we go throughout, the rest of 2021, but right now is not applicable. So why would we have it on our chart? Let's get rid of it too. All right, cool. I got you. Let's get rid of it. This is where our focus is. This is where we're going to focus in on to see whether or not we need to pay attention to see if we need to sell Loopring, or do we need to continue to expect price to go higher right here. Okay, so check this out. Now I wanted to zoom out because there are some very important support areas that I wanted to show you. And the main one that I wanted to show you is this particular price level right around here. Okay. I will say around 46 cents to around 48, 49 cents. Okay. That area is going to be very, very important. First area, 48.5 cents to be maintained as support. Second area, it's going to be like down here towards 44, 45 cents. Okay. Now throughout the rest of August, okay, the rest of August into September, maybe the beginning half of September, we need to pay attention to see if the price in Loopring is going to break below 48.5 cents to even 44. Okay. Because if it does, then we understand that this ascending line that I've just created is not going to hold the price, and we will expect the market to go down. Okay, So now, first thing, you guys can see that on the weekly time frame is very move. The move here in Loopring last week was very climactic. You guys can see it, 68.75% market move. That was a very substantial, profitable move if you was on the buy side. Now, if you was on the sell side, then it hurt you a lot to be down 68%, almost 69. It hurt you. I understand, it happens. So now, what are you expecting the market in Loopring to do? In order for us to make this determination, I'm going to have to look at the price prediction on an hourly time frame. Okay. So now let's look at the market in Loopring on an hourly. Okay, because you can see the weakness here. Now we are in a downtrend. So if you're not in the play right now, I know you feel like you just want to jump in and participate on the move higher, but it's not here yet. You got to be patient. The market currently in Loopring is giving us some weakness here. All right. Now I can see here on the 3-hour time frame that this area of support literally is around 50 cents. Okay, get that? 50 cents. That is where we can see the start. Okay, it doesn't mean it's going to finish, but that's where we can see the start of this market trying to prop up price. All right, and if not 50 cents, then we're going to come all the way back down to 48.5, like I told you earlier. 48, 47 cents. Okay. This is the 45-minute chart in Loopring. Would you come in and buy this right now, or would you wait? Would you expect the price to go higher? Would you expect the price to drop? Because on the 45-minute time frame, this is the trend right now on 45-minute. This is the trend that is applicable in Loopring on the 45-minute chart. Okay, this is not applicable on a daily time frame. This is not applicable on a weekly time frame. This is the 45-minute trend right now. We're going down. So why would you want to come in and buy the market in Loopring when you clearly can tell that the price is in a downward trend? We need to wait and find where support is going to be. Now I've already named some areas: 50 cents, 48.5 cents, back down to 44, 45. Those are the 3 areas that we have to wait and see where the market's going to be propped up. You don't need to rush this. It's not hard. It's not complicated. Okay. Because literally what I'm seeing is that the market is going to try to come towards 50 cents to even like 48 cents to try to grab some support. Now, if we were to put in a play on that, if we were to go into short the market, then that would give us around 48.5, about 4.89%, 48 cents. It's around 6.5% movement to the downside. 50 cents, it might not even be worth putting in a play, right? Of expecting the market to go down. That's only give us what, 2.8%. If that's profitable to you, if you're willing to risk that just to get 2.8% out the market, then that's up to you. What about 44? It's about 13.25% movement to the downside, right? You see that? So now, as always, when you see a market go up 68, almost 69% in one day, you need to take some profits off the table, right? If you're on the buy side, you need to learn how to grab that profit out from the trap and place it right back to your account, and not to be greedy, right? You don't want to become greedy into the market in Loopring. So now, what are we going to do? Should we put in a price prediction or should we wait? Okay. Now, for what occurred into the market in Loopring, yeah, I'm gonna play some weakness here. Okay. Now, with this weakness involved, don't forget what I told you, that we need to see the market price hold support. Okay. The first area was around 50 cents, 2.8% profitability. Remember, second area 48.5, which is around 5.5%. I'm gonna bring it all the way down here towards 44 to our support line. In Loopring, expected to try to grab in around that particular area. It's not going to be right there exactly at 44 cents, 44.5 cents. It may not even hit that at all, but it's going to be around that vicinity. Okay, and that's how we're going to play the market, and it would even take us to our ascending line as well too. Okay, so we got the market to pay attention to on this ascending line as well as our area of support. As long as those two things stay applicable, stay active, stay important, we understand that the market movement in Loopring is going to continue to go higher in the beginning half of September. But we need to relax, calm down, don't be emotional, okay? Don't think that you missed the boat. We need to allow the market to work itself out, come down a little bit, show us where it wants to hold support. And then once that comes to fruition, then we understand that the market's going to continue to go higher in price. But until that time, we're going to play the short side, expect the market to go short. That's our prediction. And then from there, we'll jump back onto the boat to ride the market and Loopring higher. All right. So now let me bring down this area restriction. 60 cent is going to be our area of restriction into the market and Loopring. Okay. So long as the price doesn't break above 60 cents, we're going to continue to play the weakness in the market for this currency. Simple. So now I want to know, what do you all think into the market and Loopring? Are you all expecting this price to continue to go higher? Are you expecting it to go lower? What are you seeing on the chart? Drop me a comment and let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.